Hello everybody, this is another lesson on e-safety, and it's about the information you share and making sure that you're not sharing too much of it. So if we have a look down here, so we're going to look at the information that you might need to create a profile on a website, and which of that information should be private, which of that could be dangerous. Okay. So we've got a couple of profiles here to look at. The first one says you've got an email address, full name, some information that says I'm 13 and I love horses and playing football. I play for my school team, Parklands Primary. So if I look at that, I'm thinking, okay, full name, that could be dangerous to share. Her email address could be dangerous to share. Okay, I love horses and playing football, not too bad. I even think it could be okay for her to say I play for my school team, but she's got the name of the school there, which I don't think is safe. Oscar here has got his birthday and his phone number. Doesn't sound great, does it? Anyone who wants to play online, send me a private message with his phone number. Not sure about that. So what you have to do today, and now we have done things on this before, so I'm not going to talk too much, but what you have to do today is fill out this sheet page, which you have. Do not put real information. Do not put real information. If you want to put your birthday, your full name, fine, but you do not need to put your address. Please do not steal your mum or dad's bank card and put information here. Please make it up. Please make a random number there. And some information about you. So if you like football or races or sports or watching movies or reading or going to museums or whatever, put that in this section here. So this is a registration for an event. So these are all the things you need to fill in. Once you've filled it in, you need to go through with a highlighter and highlight any information that you think is something you should be careful about sharing, something that should not be shared, so something that you think you need to keep private if you don't want everyone to see it. So there's a lot of things here that are personal information that you should be careful with. So fill in the form and highlight the personal parts which should be private. And if you do that, it should be okay, but let me know if you have any questions.